Hey guys, welcome back to IAG. Today, we're going to show you how to go doorless on our new Bronco. But first, if you're wondering how we got this far, make sure you check out the video on how we fold and remove the soft top on our four-door. There's a ton of good information in that video, so make sure you check it out. With that being said, let's get right into it. Like our previous top removal, we're going to start by only using the toolkit provided by Ford that came with this soft top four-door. Locate the toolkit, most commonly found in the glove box. As you can see, we still have the hardware from our soft top removal in this pouch right here. But have no fear, Ford's provided us with a second pouch so we can store more hardware so we know where everything is at all times. Also located in our pouch is our two rubber door bumpers used for removing the front door, which we'll show you in just a bit. The only tools we're going to need to do this job today is our 1/4-inch ratchet and our 13mm socket. For storage, we're going to be using our Ford leather-wrapped garage bags. At the time of this video, the onboard storage bags can only be purchased when ordering the vehicle and cannot be obtained after that point. But if you stick around to the end of the video, we'll show you a product that could help solve that problem. Let's get started by removing the driver's rear door. With your thumb, press to release the spring-loaded locking lever and gently remove your door's electrical connector. Take your ratchet and remove the two 13mm bolts attaching your door to its hinges. At this point, take note of the lift handle located at the bottom of each door. Find the corresponding storage bag for the door and fully unzip. Before removing, partially install the bag over top the door like this. Using the two canvas straps and the lift point we mentioned earlier, gently pull up to release the door from its hinges. Now is a great time to mention that the garage bags we have chosen have a thick foam liner at the bottom so you can place the door upright on the ground for zipping without fear of damaging the edges. Take a quick look at the squared off door hinge dowel. When reinstalling the door, the receiving end of this dowel needs to be lined up for proper mating of the door to the hinge. Next, we'll move to the driver's front door. Push the side mirror forward towards the front of the vehicle, then open the door. Place your two rubber bumper strips on the front fender. This will help eliminate any damage done by accidentally bumping the door against it when removing. Disconnect your electrical connector. Loosen and remove your two 13mm hinge bolts. Apply the proper door bag and remove. Don't forget your fender bumpers, then place your mirror back in its original position. Take this procedure to your passenger side front door, followed by your passenger side rear door. Place your two rubber bumpers, plus all of your door hardware, into the storage pouch in your toolkit. Return your ratchet and socket to their locations, and then place back inside the glove box. So here we are, top down, doors off. It doesn't get much better than this. But before we leave you, check out this rendering of our new in-car storage harness to be used with our garage bags. So be sure to like and subscribe to be notified about new products just like this one. Have fun, and we'll catch you in the next one.